Hello, welcome to second grade. I will be your teacher this year, Mrs. Shoemaker. A little bit about myself. So this is my third year teaching second grade. All 3 years have been at North White. I just love North White so much. I graduated from North White a long time ago. Shh. This picture is a picture of my family. There is Mr. Shoemaker and Rhett. Rhett is 2 years old and he is all boy. He loves the dirt so much. Every day we come out and we play in the dirt. That's what my summer has been. This is our school supplies list. These are the things that you will need for second grade. If you don't have them yet, that's okay. You can get them whenever you have time. On the paper and online, it showed that you needed 4 packages of dry erase markers, but that is a lot of dry erase markers and you only need 1 package. That's it, just 1, okay? If you bring 4, that's okay, but you only need 1. This is what our class schedule looks like this year. So last year in first grade, you guys went to specials at the end of the day, and this year we go to specials at the beginning of the day. Okay, so when you come in, you'll put your backpacks away, we'll take attendance, we'll do something fun, and then we go straight to specials. So these are the specials that we have. So on Monday, you go to PE, so make sure that on Mondays you wear your gym shoes, okay? On Tuesday, we have library. On Wednesday is STEM. Thursdays is fine arts, and Friday is technology. And for technology, you will need your headphones or earbuds. If you don't have any, you need to let me know. I'll get you some. All right, so the best way to contact me is through email at mshoemaker@nwhite.k12.in.us, or you can call the school, and my extension is 119. I am so excited for this year, and I cannot wait to meet all of my new friends tomorrow. Bye!